How to view shared media on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to quickly find photos, videos, files, or other media shared in a conversation, firstly open the Signal application on your device and log in. After you're signed in to your Signal account, go ahead and open the conversation where the media was shared. Now, tap on the contacts or the group's name from the top of the chat. On the next page, click on All Media, and here you'll be able to see all the contents that you've shared in the group or the contact. You can browse through the available files, photos, or videos and other shared items. Tap on any video or media to open it in full screen. So that's how you do it. You've successfully viewed shared media in Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.